Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Students, welcome back to your online maths class. Students, in previous videos we have completed page number 21. Okay, have you completed all work in your maths book? Very good. So students, today in this video we will start page number 22. Okay students, so students, take your maths book and open page number 22. Students, this is your page number 22. Look here, and here we have some questions. This is our review worksheet 1. Review worksheet 1 means here we have some questions related to previous pages. Okay, here we have some questions related to previous pages, so we have to solve these questions. Okay, so let's start. So first one question is, write what comes before and after. So students, in this question we have to write before and after number, means we have to write that those numbers those comes before and after the given number. Okay, like this here 36. So students, tell me what comes before 36. Count the countings. What comes before 36? So 35, 34, 35, 36 na. And what comes after 36? So 37. Okay, next one. What comes before 51? So 50. Very good students. And here what comes after 51? So answer is 52. Next one. What comes before 79? Students, tell me. Everyone know na, counting 1 to 100. Very good. So 78. And what comes after 79? 80. Okay, now what comes before 90? So 89. And what comes after it 90? So 91. Okay, now students, understood all of you these questions? Write what comes before and after. So in this question we have to write those numbers comes before and after the given number. Okay, now students, come on your next question. Write in the long form, also write the number name. So students, here we have two lines. Look here we have two lines na, this one and this one also. So in small line, on the small line we have to write long form of the given number. So students, on the small line we have to write long form of the given number, and on the long line we have to write number name of the given number. Okay, understood all of you now? So let's start. So 21. So tell me students, what is the long form of 21? लॉन्ग फॉर्म में हम क्या करते थे, वंस और टेंस अलग लिखते थे ना, वंस अलग लिखते थे और टेंस अलग लिखते थे. तो वंस क्या है इसमें? 1. सो राइट हियर 1. एंड टेंस क्या है इसमें? टेल मी, इसमें टेंस क्या है? 20. देन 20 + 1 ना. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू? लॉन्ग फॉर्म निकालने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हमारे पास जो भी नंबर दिया हुआ होता है उसका वंस अलग लिखते हैं और टेंस अलग लिखते हैं और दोनों को ऐड के साइन से ऐड करते हैं. Okay, now what is the number name of this number? 21. So right here TWENTY 21 ONE1. Okay, TWENTY 21. Next number is 47. Next number is 47. So ones number is 7 and tens number is 40. So right here 40 + 7. So 47, FORTY 47, SE VEN 7. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Next one question. 6, because on one's place we have 6 and 60 plus 6. Okay, then 60 SIXTY 66. Okay, next one 98, then 90 plus 8, then right here NINETY 98 EIGHT 8 98. Okay, understood all of you students? Very good. Now next one question. So students, understood all of you now how will you write long form of the numbers and number name of the numbers? Very good students. Question third is fill in 67 the place of value of 6. Then tell me what is the place value of tens place? 6 is 60 and place value of 7. So what is the place value of ones place? Means 7 is 7. Okay, next one. In 93 the place value of 3. So 3 on the ones place. So ones place value of ones place is 3 and place value of 9 is 90 because 9 on tens place. Okay, understood all of you? Very good. So next one, question 4. Write the smallest and the largest numbers. Write the smallest and the largest numbers. So students, here we have some number series. Here we have 2 number series. So and 2 and 4 blanks also, boxes also, 1 2 3 4. So students, first in question first and second, in question first we have number series na, so we have to write smallest number and largest number of the number series in the given boxes. Okay, means हमें इस नंबर सीरीज में से स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर मीन्स सबसे छोटा नंबर एंड लार्जेस्ट नंबर सबसे बड़ा नंबर इन इसमें लिखना है. स्मॉलेस्ट के नीचे स्मॉलेस्ट एंड लार्जेस्ट के नीचे लार्जेस्ट. ओके, सो लुक हियर, इसमें सबसे फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर फ्रॉम दिस सीरीज. सो टेल मी स्टूडेंट्स. वेरी गुड, 21 is the smallest number in this series and the largest number students. Very good, 56. Very good. Next one. So smallest number in this series, tell me students. 67. Very good students. And largest number in this series, 93. Very good. Okay, now students, come on your question 5. Here we have some numbers. Write in descending order. So students, here we have some number and some blank boxes also. So आपको इन numbers को descending order में लिखना है. So students, you know ना what is descending order? Largest to the smallest. पहले सबसे बड़ा लिखते हैं फिर बड़े से छोटा. Means now find largest number in this series. 68, 72, 87, 74, 55, 30, 43. Now students tell me. So 87. After 87, which number is largest? 74. 74. After 74, 72. After 72, look this series. 68. 68, 55, 55, 43, 43, 30. Means in this series 87 is the largest number and 30 is the smallest number. Understood all of you students? Very good. Next one. Question, write in ascending order. So students, in this question we have to write these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the largest, means छोटे से बड़ा. So find the smallest number in this series. 65. After 69, which number is largest? Tell me students. 74. After 74 students, look in this series, 77. After 77 in this series, tell me students, 83. After 83, 88 and 88, 92, this one. So in this series students, 65 is the smallest number and 92 is the largest number. Understood all of you students? How will you find, how will you write numbers in descending order and ascending order? Very good. Now come on your next question. So students, here we have question of add. So in this question we have some questions of addition with the simple method and carry with addition with carry also. So let's start. Here add, you know method of addition. Very good. So 6 3 9 and 4 3 7, 9 5 students, 14. Very good. So 4 he write 14, so write here 4 and 1 is carry, so write here 7 1 8. Okay, 9 7 3 10, then write here ones place digit, so 0 and 1 is carries, then 5 3 8 and 1 9. Okay, next one 7 2 9 8 1 9, 6 5 11 na, so write 1 is carry, 6 2 8 1 9, 7 4 11, so write here 1 and 1 is carry, so 7 1 8 1 9. Understood all of you students? Very good. Next one, question subtract. So students, here we have some question of subtraction. So in the subtraction question we have some simple subtraction questions and subtraction with borrow also. Okay, so we have to solve it. So let's start students. 8 minus 6 equal to 2 and 8 minus 7 equal to 1. This is a simple subtraction and this is subtraction with borrow. So take a borrow, so right here 16 and here 3 is remaining. Then if we will subtract 8 from 16, then here we will get 8 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Now here 18 and here 2, 18 minus 9 equal to 9 and 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Here take borrow, then here 13 and here 4 is remaining, then 13 minus 4, 9 is remaining and 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Understood all of you now? Very good. Now here we have question of subtraction with borrows. So take up borrows from 6 to 4. Here we have 14, new number is 14 and here 5 is remaining. Then if we will subtract 5 from 14, then we will get 9, and if we will subtract 4 from 5, then we will get 1. Next one, if we will subtract 7 from 9, then we will get 2. Okay, and if we will subtract 5 from 9, then we will get 4. So students, this is our review worksheet 1. Here we have some questions related to with previous pages, means previous method of addition with addition with carry and subtraction with borrow, and simple addition, simple subtraction, and ascending order, descending order, smallest number, largest number. Okay, number name. So we have to means like this. Here we have some questions like this exam paper. Okay, so you have to do revision of these questions. Okay, you have to do revision of these questions without the help of the book. ओके, मीन्स आपको बिना बुक की हेल्प के इन क्वेश्चंस को अपनी एक रफ नोटबुक में राइट करके उसका रिवीजन करना है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ यूनिट टेस्ट. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू नाउ स्टूडेंट्स. सो फर्स्टली कंप्लीट दिस वर्क इन योर मैथ्स बुक एंड डू रिवीजन ऑफ दिस वर्क. ओके, and students, do preparation for your unit test exam. Okay, understood all of you? Okay, bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.